Hey John, where are you?
Stalactites, stalagmites, stalactites. The rocks are green because of the copper, Doug.
There's another one. Like this.
Painted grotto, the iron, the red.
Where are you?
Carlsbad Caverns, Nuevo Mexico.
You may miss them, but chances are when one jumps out, there's going to be another two or three that's going to follow right behind them just momentarily. So if you hit them, number one, you're not going to be happy. They're certainly not going to be happy. And
Piles of guano will take his hat off, scrape the ceiling up above. Now, most places in the city, the guano was. In some places, the guano was anywhere from 20 to nearly 100 feet deep. Now, what do you suppose the people were interested in when he started talking about this cave? The big hanging downies and sticky uppies and the big entrance, or the bad stuff? The bad stuff. In 1901, a friend of Jim's by the name of Abijah Long filed a mining claim. And in 1901, the very first mining operation started in this cave. And you guessed it, they were mining the bat guano. Now, why would they want to use, what would they use the guano for? You bet. Anybody here from Southern California? Yeah. Guess what? Between 1903 and 1923, the guano mining operation in this cave bagged up and mailed by rail to Southern California over 100,000 tons of this bad stuff. And it was used in the citrus orchards down in a little place called Orange County. Believe it or not, before Southern California was known for Hollywood, it was known for the citrus orchards, and bat guano is a very good fertilizer. That, of course, then eventually led to more and more people coming, and eventually more exploration and discovery of this cave, and eventually national monument, national park where we're at today. But what I want to talk to you a little bit about is these little critters that left behind those massive piles of that stuff. I'd like for you to use your imagination a little bit for me tonight, if you would. And I'm assuming you folks are all imaginative people, right? If you don't have a good imagination, just pretend you do. Because I'd like for you to use that imagination for a couple minutes here. I'd like for you to imagine, or pretend if you would, that you came here tonight for a totally different reason than why you're here. Now most of you are here to watch the Batfly program tonight, right? That's why you came, right? Okay. I want you to pretend that that's not why you came. Actually, what I want you to do is pretend that you came here tonight for the sole purpose of seeing Robert Redford dressed in a park ranger uniform, talking about the plans of the Chihuahua Desert. And got that? Good thing you didn't have to pay for this, huh? This is really a pretty good flight. They're just flying a little bit late. You'll notice we're starting to spread out a little bit. They generally don't do right off the bat. So. Sorry, folks. As they grow thicker, if they continue like this, here comes the end.
Somebody gets a flash, didn't they? Some idiot.
Who's taking the flash?
Plus, the flash's not gonna work anyway. Folks, I'm going to be standing up here if you have more questions. And again, out of courtesy for everyone, let me remind you, if you're sitting down the front, please sit out the front and sit down. Otherwise, you're welcome to remain in here as long as you want to. Right until the main seat until you raise and leave. I'll be hanging around up here if you have any questions.
is where we camped for 2 nights here, and we scaled that peak.